Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to download the Upwork app on your PC or laptop. This is a great way to manage your freelance work directly from your desktop, making it easier to communicate with clients and track your projects all in one place. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to upwork.com/ab/downloads. This is Upwork's official downloads page where you can get the desktop application for your computer. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to download the app for different operating systems. Next, locate the drop-down menu that says Select Your Version and click on it. From the options that appear, select Windows 64. This version is compatible with most modern Windows computers and ensures optimal performance. Make sure you choose the correct version for your system to avoid any installation issues later on. Right beside the drop-down menu, you'll see a download button. Go ahead and click on it to start downloading the Upwork installer. This action will begin the download process, and depending on your internet speed, it might take a few seconds or even a few minutes to complete. Don't worry if it takes a little while. Just let it finish downloading completely before moving on to the next step. Once the download is complete, look towards the upper right corner of your browser window. You should see a download section or icon that shows your recent downloads. Click on this section to view the Upwork installer file you just downloaded. This will show you the file and give you the option to open it directly from your browser. When you see the Upwork installer file listed, click on Open. This will launch the installation setup for the Upwork desktop application. You might see a security prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. If this appears, simply click Yes to proceed with the installation. Now wait for the installation setup to load. This usually takes just a moment as the installer prepares everything needed to install Upwork on your computer. You'll see a window appear with the installation wizard guiding you through the process. Finally, you'll be presented with the terms and conditions. Read through them if you'd like, and when you're ready, click Agree to accept the terms and complete the installation. The app will then finish installing on your computer, and you'll be able to launch Upwork directly from your desktop whenever you need it. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Upwork app on your PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.